Hey everybody, Scrap and Maureen here with you. Today I am coming on here because one thing, I got some happy mail, and I also have a little tutorial for you on something that I learned how to make, and the style of it wasn't right for me, so I tweaked it to fit what I wanted. So I will share that with you and show you how to make one. So first off, I got this today in the mail. And in one of my previous videos, I had made a little mini album using this collection, but I didn't have any more of the collection. And I was saying to everybody, if anybody has some, let me know. I'm willing to trade or whatever. Well, my wonderful friend, scrapbooking friend here on YouTube, Teri Rice, had some of this collection by My Mind's Eye. I think it's called Gingham Foundry. And it is absolutely gorgeous. I've not even opened this plastic yet so sorry about the glare, to see what all is in here, but I can see just from the plastic bag that this is part of that collection. I had to even call her and tell her thank you so much. It was such a surprise to get this in the mail. And my mom will be excited that I can finish the mini album for her that she asked me to make. So I love this. Look at all these pieces that come with it. It's so beautiful. I didn't have any of these cut apart, so that is awesome. So there's that. All little bits and pieces. Isn't this just gorgeous? I just love this. It's so beautiful. All the blues and the yellows. Look at that. That's a beautiful piece of paper. You almost don't want to cut it to use it. Oh yes, I love the yellow and the blue. Such a gorgeous collection. So Teri Rice, thank you for this. It is very, very much appreciated and totally unexpected. Love it. I've never seen that paper before. So there we go. Thank you so much, Teri, for everything. I appreciate it greatly. Truly do. Okay, so the next thing, I have been wanting to make, I'm sorry if I kicked the camera, some hot cocoa packets, and I did find a tutorial for this little envelope here, and it fits, oh sorry, I had a scrap paper with it. It fits a little hot cocoa packet in here, but to me it's a little tight, so I wanted to make something a little bit different. And I also didn't want to attach anything to have flap. I wanted it to be open so people can see what's in there. So I made, I don't know if you can see, it's got a little 1/2 inch bottom and 1/2 inch sides, and it's like a little box. And I'm going to put candy canes and treats in it too, and then decorate them for Christmas. But anyway, I like these boxes, so I'm going to show you how to make these if you prefer to have like a little bit more room to put things in. So let's see, you need a piece of paper that is 9 by 6. And you just put it down on your scoreboard, and you're going to score at 1/2 inch and 5.5 inches, so a 1/2 inch away from either side. Just do those. Did I do that one twice? I don't remember. Okay. And then you're going to flip it, turn it sideways, the other way, the long ways, and you're just going to score it at 4 and 4.5. Okay, then you're going to take some scissors and you're going to cut these little squares out. You're going to cut from this to that little crease there, and that little crease there. Okay, there's one little piece. You can see that. Okay. Our other little piece here. Oop. There we go. Okay. So cut those little pieces out. We're going to go ahead and fold it on the score lines. Hold on, get that. And do the next one. open it up and fold down the flaps. There should be 2 on each side. Turn it around, do the same thing on the other side. And these ones, small ones, are going to get pushed back open, and the bigger ones can stay. The longer ones can stay that way. I kind of do them like that. Okay, you're going to take your double-sided tape, and on the bottom ones, the shorter ones, you're going to put your double-sided tape down. And I always check to make sure I don't have any excess. I have a little tiny bit here, so we'll get that. Okay, and then we're gonna peel back these strips, although that may take me a second, so I apologize for that. Okay. And then you take this, fold it on the first line here at the top, and then you're going to fold the second line to make like a little box at the bottom, and then you're going to line this up with the line and fold it up and glue it. And then what I do is I stick it on that side, and I stick my bone folder in, and I scrape the side to make sure that glue's stuck to that edge. And while this one's up, you can just go ahead and do this one as well, just like that. And then I turn that over, and I put my bone folder in, and I make sure. And there's your little hot cocoa box. Pretty simple. Although I did just now see that that pattern is upside down. Is it? Looks like trees. I don't know. Oh well. So make sure if you have directional paper that you do it the right way. How about that? But there is my little snow cocoa boxes that I've been making. Quite a few of them. Just, they're so cute, and then I'm going to decorate them. So there you go. Thanks so much for watching. Happy crafting to everybody. Bye.